is an 85 Fortress level Tier 5 base. As you can see, it's real simple in the middle. All you got to do is bring out a Titan. It's really not too difficult on this one. So get yourself lined up over here, get up in here, pull out the Titan, and just target down the middle. It's really amazing for the hardest. Excuse me, I'm eating that. For the hardest, it's rather simple. You can see that everything is takes a lot of boom boom to get it down. Take this out, so you can even go over here and no, these guys just standing there. Now they're gonna try to run away from you. Actually, let's bring this out over here and make them. So even for an 85, this over here is just not too difficult, considering its level. Of course, these guys, you want to get in there and get those nailed out. They take away your shield pretty fast. So get up in there and get busy. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get this. We don't need him no more. Let's get him out. Put these guys in the back here. One platoon I'm doing all this. That's what's crazy. This one actually I am doing for Matt. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit, leave him, whoops, I'm going to leave him, I guess I'll leave him that in there in the back. You can take that out. So we end the attack so I don't get too crazy and take it completely out. Alright, so let's go back in there now and see what we can do. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys something you probably won't see for a while because a lot of you guys don't have it. I'm going to send 2 peacekeepers at this. They're level 11. Get an idea of the power of an level 11 peacekeeper. So it might be something you guys will really want to try to get. Target these walls because these walls seem to be pretty difficult. Sends out 5 of them. I think 3 of them get through. Gotta wait 1 minute. Remember not to take that out. Hope you guys don't mind me eating. I mean, any lunch yet? 37 seconds to reload. watch that. It doesn't knock that out. Take a look at that. That's some craters. I can tell you that I believe that the excuse me. I believe these peacekeepers are good for this very purpose. It's me. Mm. All right. All right. Take everything out of here. I want everybody. Okay. I think everything else is done. Okay. All you gotta do is take those out, and I think you might be able to do that.